Sounds like you've been busy since you went away.
Hey loves, it's Brianna K. It is another wintry, snowy, cold day here in Cleveland, Ohio. So I am stuck inside and I'm going to tackle my to-do list today so that I can just get up and get moving. So I hope this video motivates you to get whatever is on your to-do list done. All right, so here's what's on my to-do list for today. Lots of just like tidying up. Dishwasher needs to be unloaded and loaded again. Some laundry to do, change the sheets. There's some Valentine's Day DIYs I wanted to share with you guys. I need to print a picture for this frame in my bedroom that's been needing a picture. Clean the bathrooms, clean up the kitchen, and clean all the floors. And I just remembered tidy up the kids' rooms too. So that is the list we're tackling today. Let me know in the comments what's on your to-do list. Let's get started in the kitchen by doing a little tidy up and putting the dishes away.
I'm just trying to smile when all I can think of is you. Yeah, I'm just faking my way through the days to avoid that feeling I get when I'm lonely and I'm missing you. Wish you could tell me what I should do now. It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room when all I want.
And I'd let a bunch of dishes pile up in the sink. It was just one of those really busy weekends. So let's get the dishwasher loaded up again and finish cleaning the kitchen.
Used to love somebody. When you used to love somebody. When you used to love somebody. When you used to love somebody. Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring.
What's the weather like right now where you live? I know we've still just had a lot of cold and snow and have been stuck inside for what feels like way too long.
Known how much it hurts, I should have known. It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I stop at your window. I should have known how much it hurts when you used to love somebody. When you used to
And I know this time of year, my kids always love when we stop and make some Valentine's Day crafts. So here are the ones that I found for us to make this year. So I found these Valentine's Day craft ideas over on Pinterest. And then I just had a little photo shoot with the kids in the right positions that they need to be for each craft. So I'm going to use my new HP Smart Tank 6001 printer, and a huge thank you to HP for sponsoring today's video. And HP is America's most trusted printer brand, and this is our new HP Smart Tank 6001. So it was the perfect printer for our family's needs, and I know that so many of you are in the same exact boat. You know, whether you need to print something for a school project, that DIY craft, if you want to print some pictures, or need to print something to make a gift. Seriously, they've all turned out so good. I'm obsessed. But I love this printer's high quality and how easy it is to connect. All you have to do is download the HP app to your devices and you can copy, print, scan documents from anywhere. I love how easy it is in the app to like size what you want the picture to be. So I'd gotten this frame for another little craft I'm gonna do. And you can even edit the picture, you know, in the app too. That's so amazing. And this is the coolest part. The HP Smart Tank 6001 contains 2 years worth of ink. You can print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black and white pages with the ink that's included. Okay, so I just cut out the picture. The quality of these photos is seriously amazing. And just taped on the heart lolly, and I feel like it is one of the cutest little Valentines I've ever seen. And since this new HP printer makes it so easy to print photos, I was thinking of using this one to make a really easy DIY gift for Gigi and Papa for Valentine's Day. You just need your glue gun and the candy hearts, and I'm just gonna glue these, you know, in color order. In the past, I would have had to get pictures like this, you know, printed out at the store. And now with my HP Smart Tank 6001, it just made this entire little crafting DIY session so easy, and everything is just such, again, incredible quality. I know I keep saying it, but really I'm so happy I got this. And I just love how the ink lasts so long, because I feel like in the past that's all I was doing was buying new ink cartridges to print what I needed. So once your new printer arrives and you start making all of the DIYs and crafts like this, be sure to tag me over on Instagram, because I love seeing your ideas and how your stuff turns out too. So you can shop the HP Smart Tank 6001 printer using the link that I have down in my description box below. And right now there's an offer for $125 off, so don't miss out at hp.com. And thank you again to HP for sponsoring today's video. Moving into the laundry room now, because there's always laundry to do, isn't there? Landon just had his last game for his basketball league that he's been in this winter, and the kids are also doing ski club right now. Presley also has jazz and ballet and Sparkle Squad dance classes that she does during the entire school year. And then Hayden's been asking me to do tennis lessons, so I need to look into that for him in the spring once it gets warmer, but we've been keeping busy for sure this winter. And I guess that is one of the perks of the cold weather, is that the kids have gotten to learn to ski, and it is really fun seeing them enjoy it, because that was one of my absolute favorite things to do growing up with ski club. My AIM screen name was actually Snow Bunny Bree 33. But I bring up all those activities because I do feel like there has been even more laundry than normal with all the extra layers and activities that we've had going on.
Small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
And now to put away the laundry, I just had some of Hayes and Presley's clothes in that load, and just gonna tidy up their rooms a little bit while I'm in here. Now let's go change the sheets in my bedroom. I seriously love this feeling of fresh, clean, crisp sheets. It is bliss, the little things. But I've got some finishing touches I still want to do in this new bedroom. I'm so glad I finally got a new mattress though. Again, there are just some things, I don't know why I waited so long, like to put up curtains downstairs and in my bedroom, and took me over 2 years after the divorce to, you know, finally get a new bed and a new mattress. But I love my new bedroom furniture. Probably, maybe I was supposed to wait to get this bedroom furniture because it was like a new set that came out, and I love it. And I love how it's all coming together in here. And I actually found an artist in Hawaii, and she's creating this personalized piece for me to have in here. And then I'm still looking for the right chair for in the corner. I really want to find it in person. Like, I keep stopping and like a bunch of different stores and testing out chairs because I want to sit in it and test it out and make sure I really love it. But it is all coming together slowly but surely, and I love it so far. And I feel like that's sort of the phase of life that I'm in. You know, I'm not where I thought I would be. I feel like some things are taking slower than I thought they would. But I know that God has a bigger plan for me than probably I dreamed up myself. So I want to love where I'm at right now more than I have been. And I can't wait to see what else God has in store. So if you're in a similar position where you're like, I thought things were going to be different, or I thought this was going to happen sooner, or like, why is this taking so long? I think it's because God has bigger plans than maybe we realize, and it's His timing, right? But if you want to hear more about life after divorce, be sure to listen to my podcast. It's relaunched after a 4-year break. I've missed doing it, so I hope you guys love the new episodes. And that's where we're going to be talking more about post-divorce life and dating again and all that kind of stuff for those of you who are interested. Now into the bathroom to do a little cleanup in here. Gonna clean the mirrors and the sinks and tub and shower and toilet. And that way it's nice and clean for the week ahead.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older.
I also wanted to make sure that this guest bathroom was cleaned up too for the week ahead.
You seem to have the time, but when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu.
I don't know what took me so long. I had this in, I don't even know how many videos at this point, but let's go print a picture for it.
Memories come back when I'm with you.
Yay. Oh my gosh, looks so good.
Up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober.
I love how this turned out. Turned out really, really cute. Yay.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves.
I'm gonna grab my new vacuum and sweep up these floors. But I love when the floors are all clean. I feel like that's when I can finally relax. It always feels like one of the last things that gets cleaned up. And on the day I filmed this, the Grammys were on, so I wanted to finish everything on the to-do list so that I could just sit down, watch them, chill by the fire. Even let's be honest, I'm never really chilling. I had a bunch of computer work I had to do, but it just feels nice to sit, and I got to enjoy the performances and see all the outfits while I worked. I think it would be so cool to go to the Grammys or any of those big award shows. Like, I think it'd be so cool to go to one of those someday to see all the styles in person and see all the performances in person. I just think it would be so fun. But if you could go to one, which award show would you want to go to, and which celebrity would you want to see in person? Let me know down in the comments.
We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
but I got the notice my order was ready for pickup, so I ran out quickly to get just a few of the groceries that I wanted to restock for the week ahead. It wasn't a huge shop, there was just a few things that we'd run out of.
Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me?
And lighting some of the new candles that I got. I love the salt scent right now, just so cozy. And then I had to fold a final load of laundry.
Say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my...
Thank you so much for tackling my to-do list with me today and for watching and subscribing to all my videos. I hope that you get tons of motivation to get it all done, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
I need somebody